Hey guys, I am back with a haul video from Goldpaperprints, and this is actually an order from, I believe my last order was August. So this is an order from then, and I recorded back then, and I'm just now getting it up. So these are Afterpay stickers for when I use Afterpay for either Erin Condren or Goldpaperprints, because those are the two places that I shop. And this, I'm going to share all the kits that I got. This is the fall foliage kit with all of the beautiful colored leaves and trees. This is going to be your little things and your headers. This is going to be your full heart checklist. It looked like there might have been some bottom washi on that. And this is going to be your half boxes and quarter boxes with a few habit trackers and 3 heart checklists. This is going to be your day headers, day dots, some script. This is going to be your glitter headers and bottom washi. And then we're back to the full boxes again. And of course, I get my work headers. Well, I don't use them as headers, but they're work headers. I get those for each kit that I get because they're beautiful. And so next, I'm going to show you the high and low headers that I have. And this is to show the temperature for the day. I love to use these just to show, what the temperature was, so I can go back and look and see what the temperature was on certain days. So I got this in rainbow. This one's the colorful. The last one was neutral. And then I guess the second one, that's going to be nude. So I got some just regular glitter headers that aren't attached to a kit because I thought they were beautiful. That's the rainbow. This is the nude. This is the neutral. And y'all, I don't know why I move them around like that because they're not really like glitter, but I just think it makes you be able to see it more. That last page there was the colorful set. And this is the succulents kit. And on this kit, I got the work headers and the glitter headers. I'm not sure why I got the glitter headers because the kits come with plenty, but I'll have extra just in case. And I'll have these to save in the future. And so here is your full boxes. Beautiful, beautiful photos on those full boxes. This is going to be your little things, your headers. Here's your full box checklist with the beautiful hearts. Heart checklist, whichever you want to call the full boxes. Now, she did have like rounded corner full boxes or half boxes and quarter boxes, but I really like just the plain rectangle ones. They just look so much more smooth. And I'm just going on through, but of course you guys know that was the day headers and the date dots with some script. This is your sorry you guys, I'm moving so fast. When I do more videos, I'm gonna have to slow down. So as you know, that last one was the glitter headers and the bottom washi. Here is my girl Chelsea's code, and it is her freebie when you order using her code. But you guys, I ain't trying to knock my girl, that's my girl, but you guys, I'm a PR now, so I will be sharing my code at the end because I'm super excited about that. So that last one was the full boxes. You guys know what are included in these kits. I like to tell you though, so again, I'm sorry I'm moving so fast. I'm gonna have to slow down when I do these in the future. These honestly are my favorite boxes because I write everything in them. And so just having just a full page of them makes me super happy. Here is the date covers, the date dots, the script. And this new script she has right here, I love. Has the weekend banner and so forth. This is going to be your, the Showtime kit, which I didn't say. But this is the glitter headers and the bottom washi. And here's the full boxes again. Oh, I didn't show them again, sorry. And my work headers. I just love the colors in this kit. I'm super excited to use it. It's October, so I will be using it this month. So here is Goldpaperprints website there at the bottom, and the beautiful thank you card that she sent to me. She does include that in her kits or in her packages because she's amazing and she likes to thank everyone for her order. So you guys don't hesitate to go over there and shop until you drop. Like I said, I am a PR girl, so you can now use my code, which is Char25. Yes, honey. And you'll be able to see my freebie soon. So here I am just laying out all the beautiful kits so you can see them again. Now I know you weren't really able to see the Showtime full boxes, so you can kind of see it in this frame here, just a little bit. Of course, I'm trying to make it all perfect. I was trying to make it perfect for a picture, but I think it'll work for the end of this video as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed all the kits and the add-ons and the headers and things that I shared with you. And I hope you guys will go to Goldpaperprints and shop until you drop, because I'm sure you will love everything that she has to offer. So once again, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Remember, please like, comment, and subscribe. And keep coming back, you guys. Be blessed. Bye.